One of my kids is always getting hiccups. That is until I got her the Hickaway straw. Like, I got tired of telling her to hold her breath and she wouldn't do it right and it just wouldn't work. So I got this straw for her and it just really does the trick. All I gotta do is put it on the child setting right here and then have her drink out of it on that setting. She just puts it in a glass of water and sucks really, really hard 2 to 3 times uninterrupted and hiccups are gone. This thing is made by a doctor and was on Shark Tank and has had studies done that says 92% effective. If you ask me, that's a pretty good rate right there. There's also an adult setting, so it's not just for kids. If you or your kids have hiccups all the time, then grab this straw on the TikTok shop. I believe it's discounted right now, so take advantage of that. Click the back below, get the discount, and grab this. It's really affordable.